Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate videos or images or music in Clipfly.ai. As you can see, you have 15 credits. If you want to add more credits, you do have to kind of purchase it, but the first one is free, so you can get probably like a feel on the AI video. For instance, you want to generate a video, so select text to video or image to video. Add in your prompts here, and you can also adjust the number of videos. You can adjust the mode and the movement amplitude, and the styles. There's anime or general, so I'll do anime now, and I'm gonna like type in something like a cute bunny with a baker outfit in plaid baking a strawberry shortcake, something like that. Then I'm going to select generate video. I'm going to wait for it to generate, and I'll be right back when I am done with, when it's done generating. And this is what the video looks like. Super duper cute. And that is basically it for this video. To download, you can select this button. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!